Good morning, scholars. Today's lesson is about writing and evaluating expressions. So we have a table. We're going to read the variable in the table and improve the description given. So the first one is about Josh's speed. The incomplete description says, let J represent Josh's speed. How can we add to that? I'm going to go ahead and answer that right over here. Let J represent Josh's speed in, let's say, in miles per hour. In miles per hour. So we need to have an actual unit of measurement, okay? So then the next one about Rufus's height. Let R represent Rufus's height. We can answer that description right over here and add in, I guess in inches. Or we could have used in feet. The third row says milk sold M. So let M represent the amount of milk sold. I'm going to go ahead and add at the end again. The amount of milk sold in gallons. That makes a lot of sense. We see milk often sold in gallons at the grocery store. That fourth row says Colleen's time in the 40-meter hurdles. So the incomplete description says, let C represent Colleen's time in seconds, I think. In seconds. I'm sure she can run the whole 40-meter hurdle in probably less than a minute or a little bit over a minute, but second seems the most accurate. That last row says Sean's age, S. So let S represent Sean's age. Oh, I know this one. In years. That makes a lot of sense. Unless Sean was a baby, then you would do it in months, maybe. But if Sean is more than 1 year old, then it'll definitely be in years.